Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's really nice to have you guys here. So as you can see from the previous video that you watched, so in today's video we're going to be design our own device that can measure temperature and can measure relative humidity. So like the temperature is the degree of hotness or coldness of an environment, while humidity is how dry or how wet is your environment. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to come up with our design. Okay, so today is a lot of wires going around, so I want us to please pay attention so that we don't mix things up, right? So follow step by step what I say. Don't try to figure it out by yourself from the design, okay? Because as you can see, this wire is really muffled together. It's very difficult to know where what is going. All right, so the first thing is to locate our devices. So the Arduino board, you know how to get that. Then this is the LCD display, and this is our temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, so the first thing, let's take 5 volt from our Arduino to the red line, and let's take negative, which is the ground, from our Arduino to this blue line. So that means any negative or positive that we can that we need, we can take it from here. Okay, so the easy one to connect is this humidity sensor. All right, so the humidity sensor does not have label too. So if you put this sensor facing you, so the first pin that will be on the right, which will probably be on your left, so this pin will go to pin 2. Okay, right there, so it's connected to pin 2, so just do that connection. Then the middle one will go to 5 volt, which is the positive, you can see right here. Then the one on the extreme end will go to the ground. Okay, so please make sure that you do that, and when you are done with that, then that is done. Then for your LCD, so you can see here it's not labeled, but the one that you have is labeled. For example, the first one is called VSS and the last one is called K. Okay, so but I will show you how to connect it. So just put the pin inside your breadboard. Then the first leg will connect to ground, very easy. The second one connect to 5 volt, very easy. Then the third one, you have to put a resistor. This resistor use a 5k ohms, the 5k, so 5k ohms. Take it here, then take a wire and put it to the ground. Okay, remember 5k ohms, and then put this to the ground. So the next one after that is the RS. All right, so the RS, I think I have it in here. So the RS is pin 7. So let me confirm if I can trace. The RS is pin 7. Yes, it's underneath, it's pin 7. So RS is pin 7. So then the next one, which is the RW, no, yes, the RW, this one goes to the ground. So this one goes to the ground. Okay, so this one goes to the ground. Then the next one, which is the E, let me see. So the E, which is also EN, goes to pin 8. So let's see, it's right here. Yeah, pin 8. All right, so the E goes to pin 8, which is this one. Okay, so when you are done with that, then you will leave all these 4, right? Then the next one that we have is gonna be D4, and the D4 is going to pin 9. So this D4 is going to pin, let me trace it right there, pin 9. Yes, D4 is going to pin 9. Then the next one is D5, and D5 is going to pin 10. So D5 somewhere around there going to pin 10. So this is 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so then the next one is D6. So D6 is going to pin 11. So this is 4 5 6. This 6 is going to pin 11. Then the last word, so D7 is going to pin 12. So you can see D7 pin 12. So this D7 is going to pin 12. All right. So then this pin, which is the A, so connect 220 ohms. You can see 220 ohms. 220 ohms, connect it and connect it to VCC. Let me confirm if that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So you so 220 ohms, you connect it to 5 volts. Then the last one, which is the K, you connect it to the ground. Yeah, hopefully that is really clear. Uh yeah, please make sure that you follow the instruction very well. If it's not working, you probably have to come back and to do all this again. All right, so I have some instruction in here. So I've gone through this one, 5k ohms. This is 5k ohms. Then this is 220 ohms. Then the LCD, so this does not have label, but I've kind of explained how to install it. Then for this humidity and temperature sensor to work, we'll have to download a library. Okay, so I'll put a link to download the library in the description, and I will show you how to use it. So when you download the library, it will come as a zip file. Let me show you. Okay, no, so it will come as a zip file, and when you download it, then we have to install it in our Arduino, or we have to add it to our Arduino. So you click on this third icon. Okay, then you come to, I think, tools. Is it tools? No. Is it tools? So it's sketch. So you come to sketch, then you say include library, then you say add zip. So because we downloaded like a zip file, right? So you click on add zip, then you now go to your download. Download. You see, this is what you have downloaded. Okay, so then you just click on open and it will add it. So you say I already have it, so I can override it or anything, right? So then it will tell you that the library is installed. Okay, so you need that for your temperature and humidity sensor to work. So after we are done with that, then we have the code. So I will also give you the code to download the code, but I have just one to do for you. Very easy one. Is the setup, just to write these 4 lines of code. Okay, so like the code, so this one is just setting our LCD pin. Then this one is our like the humidity sensor. Then this is the pin for our humidity. Then this one is just calling some function from what we installed like in the library, you know. Then we wrote some functions to get the readings from the sensor, and this is the loop function that runs again and again. So this loop, so you can see this measure the temperature, then we can get the temperature. This is temperature and this is the humidity, and then we check if the temperature is valid or not, right? Then we display it on our LCD. Then we can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, right? So yeah, so that's the code. Please let me know if you have any issues, but it should be straightforward. Like the connection of the LCD, it might be the one that might be difficult for you, but if you pay attention to the video, you should be able to get it. All right, so that comes to the end of the video. Please, if you have any question or something is not working, please let me know. And please, again, don't forget to share my video. Please spread the word out there. I need more subscribers. I need more people to like the video. And please, if you are watching, just like the video, please. Okay. All right, thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.